If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. QuickBooks Online Plus lets you preview sales forms before sending or printing them. This lets you make sure they are correctly formatted and that the correct information appears. To preview a sales form, first open the sales form to preview. Then click the Print or Preview button in the toolbar at the bottom of the form. Then click the Print or Preview link in the pop-up menu that appears to open a PDF Print Preview window. This lets you preview the form to ensure it looks the way you need it to look. If anything needs to be changed, click the Close button in the Print Preview window to return to the form page, where you can then make the necessary corrections. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.